Yeah, from the curb to the skyline, we're still here. Let's ride. From the curb to, yeah, they counted me out, now they count what I earn. Funny how the tables always wait for your turn. Late nights, no sleep, had a fire to feed. Built the future out of faith in a pocket full of dreams. Never move crooked just to speed up the race. I'd rather lose slow than disgrace my name. Every scar on my skin got a story to tell. I walked through the smoke, never lived in the shell. When the rain kept falling, I stood my ground. Couldn't drown my hope, couldn't hold me down. Oh, I'm never gonna fall, even when the night gets cold. I keep my faith, I keep my soul. Lord, don't let me go. Higher and higher I rise. You can see the fire in my eyes. City lights flashing, but I'm chasing the truth. Money comes and goes, character's the proof. Had to cut ties when the loyalty faded. Now the circle stays small, every bond celebrated. No shortcuts, I was built for the climb. Pressure made a diamond, every second, every line. If you know where I'm from, then you know what it costs. Every win came after taking more than one loss. When the road got heavy, I found my way. Every dark night led me to a brighter day. Don't measure life by the chains, measure by the hearts that remember your name. I'm a product of the struggle, not a victim of pain. Every loss taught lessons, every storm brought rain. Now I'm standing on my own with my people beside. Nothing stronger than a family filled with love and pride. When it's all said and done, then they write my page. Let them say I stayed real from the cradle to the grave. Oh, I'm never gonna fold, even when the night gets cold. I keep my faith, I keep my soul.